Okay, Nissan Navara D21 water pump replacement. This is the Z24 motor, the petrol, and the D21 Nissan Navara for the water pump. You might be wondering how it comes apart, and the answer is basically it doesn't. Okay, so if you're going to replace this, you want to get your fan shroud out of the way, unbolt your fan off the hub here. Okay, just get the fan out of the way, take your drive belt off. Okay, and then with these, with it on the block, you just get your spanner in behind here, undo these, loosen all the bolts off, and then just pull it out. You might need to give a few taps with a hammer on here. Doesn't matter, that's getting replaced anyway, just to get that to release. So you'll see that these bolts can't come out. Okay. So the trick here is that when you get your new pump, it comes with those bolts already in it, okay? So you can just fit it up with the bolts already in there. There's a few of the bolts that will come out, but a few of them won't come out because of this pulley, but your new pump will have those in it. So if you receive a new pump that doesn't have all this on here, doesn't have the viscous hub and the pulley and the bolts in it, then that is the wrong pump. You've got the wrong pump for your vehicle if you've got one like this where it doesn't come apart. Okay, so that is water pump replacement for a D21 Nissan Navara with the Z24 petrol motor. Yeah, mainly just because people are going to be asking the question, how do you get this apart to get those bolts out? And yeah, just to let you know that you don't.
Okay, I hope that has helped you out today. Don't forget to click the like button and also click the subscribe while you're there. We've got a bunch of diagnostic solutions and tips and tricks for professional mechanics like ourselves, and also for the serious DIYers at home. So click that subscribe and the bell so you get notified, and we will see you in the next video.